How much income do you need to buy a home in Santa Ana? Santa Ana home prices are only about 55% of Irvine's and roughly 1/4 of Newport Beach's. That's why many buyers see Santa Ana as one of the best ways to get into Orange County without spending millions. Why are so many people choosing Santa Ana? If you want to live close to major job centers, shopping, and entertainment while keeping your budget under control, this city deserves a closer look. When people think about Orange County, cities like Irvine and Newport Beach usually come to mind first, but Santa Ana has quietly become one of the most attractive options, especially for buyers looking for a balance between affordability and quality of life. One reason is the weather. Like most of Southern California, Santa Ana enjoys a Mediterranean climate. Winters are mild, summers are warm, and snow is almost unheard of. That means you can enjoy outdoor activities nearly all year while spending less on heating compared to colder states. Another major advantage is location. Santa Ana is the county seat of Orange County, making it easy to reach Irvine, Costa Mesa, Anaheim, and John Wayne Airport. If you live in southern Santa Ana, South Coast Plaza is usually only 5 to 10 minutes away by car. Whether you're commuting to work, taking your kids out, or shopping on weekends, everything is conveniently nearby. The job market is another reason many buyers choose this area. By the end of 2025, Orange County had around 1.58 million workers, while unemployment remained at only 3.7%, lower than California's average. The area continues to offer strong employment opportunities in healthcare, education, finance, government, and professional services. A strong local economy usually creates steady housing demand, which helps support home values over the long term. Is Santa Ana still a good investment opportunity? According to Redfin's latest 2026 data, the median home price in Santa Ana is about $850,000, up 3.7% from a year ago. That's healthy growth, not explosive, but it shows the market is still moving in the right direction with solid demand from owner-occupants. What makes Santa Ana stand out is its value compared to neighboring cities. Median prices are around $1.55 million in Irvine, $1.43 million in Costa Mesa, and nearly $3.7 million in Newport Beach. In other words, Santa Ana gives many buyers a chance to own a home in Orange County without taking on an extremely large mortgage. Another question people often ask is, how easy is it to sell later? According to Redfin, homes in Santa Ana sell in about 45 days on average. That's slower than during the ultra-low interest rate years, but it's still considered a healthy market. Zillow also reports that about 45% of homes sell above their listing price, showing that well-priced homes in desirable locations continue to attract strong buyer interest. So while the market has cooled compared to a few years ago, demand remains solid, especially for homes in good neighborhoods with competitive pricing. Uncovering the true cost of a Santa Ana home. One of the biggest mistakes buyers make is focusing only on the home's purchase price or the down payment. In reality, owning a home comes with several ongoing costs that should be part of your budget. First, you'll pay property taxes, which average about 1.25% of the home's value each year. In California, this includes the base property tax under Proposition 13 plus any local assessments. Most lenders collect these taxes as part of your monthly mortgage payment. You'll also need homeowner's insurance, which usually costs around 0.2% of the home's value annually, depending on the property and insurance company. It's also smart to budget for maintenance and repairs. A common rule of thumb is about 0.5% of your home's value each year. If you're using a larger loan or certain non-QM programs, your lender may also require cash reserves after closing. Even if they don't, I always recommend keeping at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses as an emergency fund. Finally, if you're getting a conventional loan and putting down less than 20%, you'll most likely pay private mortgage insurance, or PMI. Depending on your credit score and down payment, PMI typically ranges from 0.3% to 1.5% of your loan balance per year. Knowing these costs ahead of time helps you avoid surprises after moving into your new home. Find out your exact monthly payment for a Santa Ana home loan. Let's look at a real example. Suppose you buy a home in Santa Ana for $850,000. You make a 20% down payment, or $170,000, and finance the remaining $680,000 with a 30-year fixed mortgage at 6%. Based on the Danguard calculator, your estimated monthly housing costs would be, principal and interest, about $4,077. Property tax, about $885. Homeowner's insurance, about $142. That brings your estimated monthly housing payment to around $5,104. Keep in mind, this estimate doesn't include HOA dues or PMI. If either applies to your situation, your monthly payment will be higher. Santa Ana Home Loan. What's your required income number? If your monthly housing payment is about $5,104 and your lender allows a maximum 50% DTI ratio, you'll generally need to earn about $10,208 per month, or roughly $122,500 per year, to qualify. That's only if you have no other monthly debt. If you have auto loans, credit card balances, or currently paying student loans, buying a condo with HOA dues, lenders will include those expenses when calculating your DTI. Buying a home in Santa Ana is easier with these home loan programs. One reason many people delay buying a home is because they think they don't have enough money for a down payment. The good news is that California offers several programs that can help. The first is CalHFA, a statewide program that may help with your down payment, closing costs, and even provide competitive mortgage rates if you qualify. Most borrowers also need to complete a homebuyer education course. If you're buying in Santa Ana or other eligible cities in Orange County, you may also qualify for assistance through the Orange County Housing Finance Trust. Depending on the program and available funding, it may help cover part of your down payment or other upfront home buying costs. There are also nationwide loan programs worth considering. For example, FHA loans require as little as 3.5% down for qualified buyers, making them a popular choice for first-time homebuyers. If you're an eligible veteran or active duty service member, a VA loan allows you to buy a home with no down payment. Expert advice for buying a home in Santa Ana. Let me leave you with a few practical tips. First, get pre-approved before you start house hunting. A pre-approval tells you exactly how much you can afford, keeps you focused on homes within your budget, and helps you move quickly when you find the right one. Second, while Santa Ana is no longer the bargain market it was years ago, it's still significantly more affordable than many other cities in Orange County. With the county's median home price now around $1.26 million, Santa Ana continues to offer a more accessible entry point for many buyers. If you're planning to stay in the home for 5 to 10 years or longer, I believe Santa Ana remains a strong long-term choice. Instead of chasing rapid appreciation, focus on what really matters: location, long-term value, and quality of life. Finally, don't spend years waiting for the perfect time to buy. No one can accurately predict when home prices will fall or when mortgage rates will hit their lowest point. But if you have stable income, enough savings for a down payment, and you're financially ready, waiting too long could mean paying more for the same home in the future. Start planning early, learn about the loan programs available to you, and work with a trusted mortgage broker or real estate professional who can guide you based on your personal financial situation. Because buying a home isn't a race, it's a journey.
Real estate and mortgage broker Danguard, with experience in over 1,000 loan applications and real estate transactions, aims to provide you with useful and general knowledge about this field. For advice on each specific case, please contact via email or website provided below the video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the latest information from Danguard.